Today I'm going to be building a roll cage out of styrene by just bending it like this and cutting it and gluing it, and at the end I'll glue in this interior with the roll cage. And now, to make the back bars on this, I'm just going to take a file and file this down. And now I got a piece right here that will fit right onto the roll cage. I'm going to cut it to length and then glue it on with this super glue that I got from Hobby Lobby, and then repeat the same process on the other side that I'm going to do this side. And now I'm going to make a bar that goes across the windshield of the roll cage. Okay, it's been about an hour of letting this dry. We're gonna see if this fits pretty good in the cab now. I would say that fits pretty good. Okay, now if you're just doing a cage, you can get some E6000, not the super glue, but E6000, and then you can glue the interior in with E6000. Or if you have an interior like this one, you can cut it off with side cutters to the length that you need for the interior to fit in. So I'm going to cut them now. So when I was putting in the interior into the cab, and then the roll cage into the cab, and then putting the interior in after that, I realized that these two posts that went here and here was in the wrong spots for the interior, so I had to take them off, and I'm going to glue them back on. got the cage and everything all set in off camera. And I think it looks pretty good for this being my third time messing with styrene. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to be using E6000 and gluing the interior in here. So it'll stay like that in there. E6000 takes quite a bit of time to dry. Okay, it's all E6000 in. I think the end result of today's roll cage was pretty good. Peace.